Hi everyone. In this video of mensuration, we are going to take up some questions related to area of trapezium. So let's start with the first question. It is given the area of trapezium is 850 square centimeter. One of the parallel sides is 64 centimeters and the perpendicular distance between the parallel side is 17 centimeter. Find the length of the other parallel side. So it is given to us area of a trapezium is equal to 850 square centimeter. One of the parallel side, that is A, is equal to 64 centimeter. Perpendicular distance between two parallel side, that is height, is equal to 17 centimeter. We have to find the length of the other side, that is say B. Now let's start with the solution. We know area of trapezium is equal to half in bracket A plus B into height. We will substitute the values in this formula and we'll write 850 is equal to half in bracket 64 plus B into 17. Now we shall cross multiply and we shall write 850 into 2 divided by 17 is equal to 64 plus B. Further we will solve and we'll write 100 is equal to 64 plus B. Then B is equal to 100 minus 64. B is equal to further 36. So the length of the other parallel side is 36 centimeter. This is how we are going to find the length of the other side when one of the side and perpendicular distance, that is the height, is given to us. Now let's move to question number 2. Find the height of a trapezium whose area is 1080 centimeter square and length of its parallel sides are 55.6 centimeter and 34.4 centimeter. Now in this question we are given area of trapezium is equal to 1080 centimeter square. Let us assume A is equal to 55.6 centimeter and B is equal to 34.4 centimeter. We have to find the height, that is h. Now let's start with the solution. Area of trapezium is equal to half in bracket A plus B into height. Now we shall substitute the values in this formula and we shall write 1080 is equal to half in bracket 55.6 plus 34.4 into h. Now we shall cross multiply. 1080 into 2 is equal to 55.6 plus 34.4 will become 90. So 90 into h. Now we'll take 90 down in the denominator and we'll write h is equal to 1080 into 2 divided by 90. Now further calculation, we'll get 24 centimeter. Therefore the height is equal to 24 centimeter. Now we shall take up question number 3. The area of a trapezium is 248 square meters and its height is 8 meters. If one of the parallel side is smaller than the other by 4 meters, find two parallel sides. Now it is given to us area is equal to 248 meters square, height is equal to 8 meters and one of the parallel side is smaller than the other by 4 meters. We have to find the length of the two parallel sides. Now let's start with the solution. Let's assume the smaller side be x meters and the larger side be x plus 4 meters because the difference was 4 meters. Now we know the area of trapezium is half in bracket A plus B into h. Now we shall substitute the values given to us in this formula and we will get 248 is equal to half in bracket x plus 4 into 8. Further we will solve and write 248 divided by 4 is equal to 2x plus 4. That is 2x plus 4 is equal to 62. Then 2x is equal to 62 minus 4, that is 58. Then x is equal to 58 divided by 2, that is 29. So we can say the first side is 29 meters and second side is x plus 4, that is 29 plus 4 is equal to 33 meters. Now let's move to question number 4. Find the two parallel sides of a trapezium whose area is 1.6 meter square altitude is 10 decimeter and one of the parallel sides is longer than the other by 8 decimeter. Now in this question we are given area is equal to 1.6 meter square, altitude, that is h, is equal to 10 decimeter, which we can convert into meters by dividing by 10. So 10 divided by 10 is 1 meters. One of the parallel side is longer than the other by 8 decimeter, that is 8 upon 10 is equal to 0.8 meters. And we have to find the length of the two parallel sides. So let's start with the solution. Let us assume the length of the smaller side be x meter. So length of the larger side will be x plus 0.8 meters. Now we know area of trapezium is equal to half in bracket a plus b into h. We shall substitute these values which are given to us in this formula, and we will write 1.6 is equal to half in bracket x plus 0.8 into 1. Further, we will cross multiply and we'll write 1.6 into 2 is equal to 2x plus 0.8. Further, 3.2 minus 0.8 is equal to 2x. So 2x is equal to 2.4. X is equal to 2.4 divided by 2, which is equal to 1.2. So we can say the smaller side is x, that is equal to 1.2 meters. Further, we can convert into decimeter by multiplying by 10. So we'll say 1.2 into 10 is equal to 12 decimeter. Now, the larger side is equal to x plus 0.8, which is equal to 1.2 plus 0.8, which is equal to 2 meters. Now, 2 meters we will convert into decimeter by multiplying 2 into 10, which is equal to 20 decimeter. So smaller side is 12 decimeter and larger side is 20 decimeter. Now let's move to fifth question. The cross section of a canal is in the form of a trapezium. If the top of the canal is 15 meters wide and the bottom is 8 meter and the area of cross section is 138 meters square, find its depth. Now over here given to us the top of a canal, that is A, is equal to 15 meters. Bottom of canal, that is B, is equal to 8 meters, and area of cross section, which is in the form of trapezium, is equal to 138 meters square. Now we have to find the depth of the cross section, that is height. Let's start with the solution. We know area of cross section, which is in the form of trapezium, is equal to half in bracket a plus b into h. Now we shall substitute the values which are given to us, and we'll write 138 is equal to half in bracket 15 plus 8 into h. Now we shall cross multiply and we'll get 138 into 2 is equal to 23 into height. Now height is equal to 138 into 2 divided by 23 is equal to 12 meters. Therefore, the height of the cross section is equal to 12 meters. So this is how we have solved different types of questions related to trapezium. Hope you have understood. Thank you very much.